Well, then how about the strategies and the priorities going forward now that you've thrived, you had some solutions under your belt already, and you made use of those, but I'm sure there were some learnings and some maybe reprioritization of the upcoming initiatives for you.
That's a great question, Asena. I believe the crisis has accelerated many trends that were already underway. Trends like remote working, online shopping, more technology penetration in store level, and the rising importance of the localized supply chain. In the light of these realities, I believe a post-COVID-19 grocery transformation will be seen very quickly. Thus, every retailer should take time to rethink their business models to become more efficient, meaning less exposed to those shocks. For physical stores, a business owner has to ask whether they can make their store model cashless or even enable a frictionless shopping experience. Are you using data to measure on-shelf availability in real time? Are you using automating replenishment? Would be the big questions that every business owner has to ask themselves. For e-commerce or basically online grocery stores, do you have a scalable technological backbone and deliver network to flex up and down as needed? Can you accelerate the required investments to ensure a seamless, true omni-channel experience? Going to the supply chain, I think the biggest question one has to ask is that, have you adapted machine learning in forecasting so that you can spot abnormalities fast and adjust immediately? Diversification of sourcing will also be crucial. So one has to ask whether diversified sourcing sufficiently to eliminate the risk of future shocks is in place or not. And lastly, looking out for a strategic partnership that build and strengthen the current business model for the longer term should also be on the table.
Great. And you have some of these, you're doing some of the others. And how do you feel now for the second wave?
So as the food retailer, we are crucial to the health and well-being of the community, both today and in the future. The actions that I have outlined earlier continue helping us navigating this current crisis. I have full confidence in our ability to handle the next wave, Asena.
That's great. Well, thank you so much for all this sharing and being so open about your experience and your learnings. And we'll continue our discussion probably in another session, because there's so much to talk about the A101 experience and the channel. And maybe in one of our upcoming talks, we'll dive more into omnichannel, since that's sure. One of the new initiatives for you. And we'll take it from there. Thank you so much.
Sure, anytime we'll have another chat. Thanks for having me today. Thank you.
Take care.